Today I'm working on something fun. I want to see how big of a basket I can make with only one skein of Bernat Fab Yarn, and I'll be using the free pattern from yarnspirations.com. Let's see how big of a basket I can make. 100% polyester yarn. It is described as a plush core wrapped in a printed fabric exterior. It almost looks like some sort of insulation or like fiber fill type thing, and then there's seamed fabric around it. This colorway is called Glowing Garden, and I'm interested in making these baskets. So for the small, you need 4 balls of yarn. For the medium, you need 5, and for the large, you need 6. And I only have 1. So I'm going to be making a very small basket. We'll see. It looks like this yarn is machine washable. Let's just see how this works. It's very soft and I love the color. It's yellow, kind of a golden yellow with some purple flowers, peach or orange flowers, and yellow flowers. So I like that. Make a magic ring leaving 2-inch end. So magic ring. Oh boy. Okay. And 8 single crochets in the ring. Do not join. All right, so one thing with this is I'm going to have to figure out how to tension this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. What did I just do with my magic ring end? Oh, there it is. Work in continuous rounds, so place a marker for the beginning of the round. Okay, so 2 single crochets in each stitch around. I think I pulled that too tight. Don't do what I did. Oh, I guess I could just do that. So that's how I'm marking beginning of round. So 2 single crochets in each stitch. 3. This is actually knitting up better than I thought. And stitch 8. Okay, that stitched up easier than I thought it would. All right, so that is round 2. Round 3, 2 single crochets in the next one, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1. Okay, 2 single crochets in here. That's single crochet 1. Again, put my, so 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet. Oh, look at that. That was round 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet. That was round, I don't know, 3. Doing the increase is how you make it big. And then when you're ready to start working the sides, it's just 1 single crochet around. Okay. So as long as you're doing the increases, that's going to be the bottom, and then once I stop increasing and just keep working, that's when it works up the sides. Maybe we'll try one more round and see what that'll. Again, 2 single crochets and then 1 single crochet. I kind of think maybe just that small side. You know, I guess at any point I can just decide that's enough and then just start working. Except if I don't go all the way around, then it's going to be kind of lopsided. But so I'm not sure why. Now just do 1 single crochet. It's just 1 single crochet all the way around. I don't think you need to keep track of rounds at this point. I'm just going to use up all the yarn. This is going to be a not very tall basket, but that's okay. It's tangling up on me just because of the fact that I had pulled at that other end when I was starting. This is a very easy pattern. The way I kind of tangled up my yarn is what's making it a little more difficult for me, I think, right now. Feeling resistance. Cat hair. I'm feeling resistance when I trying to pull my yarn. That's on me type of thing, just because of how I had gotten it tangled up. That is cute. Yarn needle. Work that end down. I think that is so cute. I would buy more of this yarn and make. That was so quick. Scissors. Look, and then put my yarn. I love it. Probably would get 2 skeins. I would probably get 2 skeins, and then you can have a little taller basket. But honestly, I really like how it turned out. It's a small little catch-all basket that I keep on my work desk. Let me know in the comments, would you go ahead and try creating something like this with just 1 skein, or would you prefer a bigger basket using 4 skeins? If you enjoyed this 1 skein challenge, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crochet experiments, and thanks so much for watching. Happy crocheting!